I done told you I'm gonna bring you some footage of me, you know, chilling and everything. So this me out. So this is the type of shit I run into. I'm glad I got this footage. I mean this camera and everything. Check this out. Look at this vehicle I'm about to enter. Look, we got some ladies there just looking hi. Say hi to everyone. They're trying to run me over. Oh, look at this one. In the limo, just chilling and everything. Say hi to everyone. And this the vehicle right here that I'm about to roll in. I'm just talking shit. But it's the type of goofy shit you see in Florida. You see what I'm saying? Check this out. Check this out.